you're applying to a particular school, these are the key things you want to look out for. You don't have to like start getting worried or getting overwhelmed. Just go to the website. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olamide Mercy. Just like I mentioned earlier, that this month of November I will be sharing a lot of information with prospective graduate students. So stay tuned, and if you're here to subscribe, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any important information. Okay, many times when I share list of schools with prospective students that check out for your program in this school, look at their requirements, see if you meet their requirement, check out if they have funding opportunities. So many people do not know how to go about this process. But yes, if you're in this category, do not worry about that, because in this video what I will be sharing with you is how you can go about these things. For instance, you have a particular school and you want to check out the requirements, if they have funding, if your course is available in that particular school. You understand? So join me. So I will be sharing my screen with you guys. Please take note, I'm not saying you have to apply to this school. This is just an example that you can follow. Okay, so let's check out for University of Wyoming. So yes, this is University of Wyoming. So let's say this is the school that you want to check out for their requirements, your program, their requirements, and if they have funding opportunities and their deadlines as well, because these are the key things you want to look out for if you're applying to a particular school. You understand? So this is the website. Now when you come across this, you can see we have programs and majors, admissions, course, and a financial aid. Current students apply to UW. But before you want to apply, you want to check out if they have your program, right? So let's come to these programs and majors. Now you can like filter your search here in this section. You can see that we have programs, we have courses, but you want to go to degree type because we have various degree type. And let's say you're going for a graduate program, a graduate degree, whichever. So we have various programs. We have MS. So you can do your search here. You can also use these keywords to search for. You can search for your program here. You understand? But I will just go ahead and let us just pick this program for example. Okay, so look at this program right now. We can see the masters in MS in agricultural and applied economics. Let's say you want to get information about this particular program. All you need to do is just to visit their program webpage. You can see this link. Just click on this link and it will take you to the program webpage. You understand? So you can see the information. This is the program webpage. You can get their request info if you need any information about the program that you can't find on the website. So make sure you've done your research and you can see that this information is not on the website because before you request for info. Okay, so now you can see the tuition and fees, the program requirements, the department's information and all, which you don't really need for now. What we are looking for right now is the program requirements, if they have funding, and yes. So now coming down here, we can see their highlights. We have assistantship, scholarships. Definitely they have assistantship and they have scholarship opportunities. But now let us check out what are they saying about this graduate student funding. So if you click on this, you would see that they are saying this is the information about graduate student funding, and they said most graduate students in the department receive a full graduate assistantship to support their graduate student. So this is a green flag right now that yes, they have funding, and the GAs include the tuition and fees, the health insurance, and the stipend. This is a very good opportunity, and students receiving an assistantship are required to spend up to 11 hours per week supporting research or teaching activities. So it is either in form of a research or a teaching assistantship. You understand? So how do you apply? You can see that they've provided this information on the website. You do not need to submit a separate GA application, that is a graduate assistantship application. All students applying for 4 will be considered for a GA. So you can see like this is all this information alone I've given you like an heads up about if they have funding or not. And now let's look at the graduate admission requirements. There are a lot of information, you can go through it, but let's look at the graduate admission requirements. So for instance, this school now, they said the deadline is February 1st. Okay, deadline is February 1st, you have to pay $50 application fee. They've stated here that please note that we cannot grant application fee waivers. So note that even if you ask them for application fee waivers, they're not going to give it to you. So you want to also take note of all this information. Then this is their requirement. Resume or CV, you can call it resume or CV, your statement of purpose. Always read this information. It's saying that it should be 1 to 2 pages and should at a minimum, like, you understand, minimum of 1 to 2 pages. And in your statement of purpose, you want to identify the degree track for which you are applying. You also want to state whether you are seeking an assistantship or you have other secured financial assistance. Describe your educational and career goals, and describe why you are a good fit for their program. So this is very, very important. Don't just because you've had a statement of purpose that you wrote for a particular school and you just want to use it for this same school. So you have to be very specific, like follow instructions when you're writing your statement of purpose. That's it. Then you need your academic or professional references. They've even stated this. So your recommendation letter can either be from your academic, probably your professors, or maybe from your work experience, that is professional references. So you don't have to like stick to just lecturer, professor. You can put that, like, you can mix them together. You get my point. Then your transcript. So you can see that they don't need your official first. They said unofficial transcripts are acceptable at the beginning of the admission process. However, official transcript to be required prior to full admission. So if you have your unofficial transcript, this is a good sign that you can apply. Then GRE scores, they said unofficial scores are acceptable, however official score will be required to this. So if you think GRE might be like you don't have GRE, you can also ask if they are accepting waiver for GRE, that, oh yeah, you've not written GRE but you want to know if you can apply without GRE. Then TOEFL as well. So TOEFL is just like the English proficiency equivalent. So you can ask if they will be waiving this, which I know like they usually waive for people from English speaking country, you understand? So you just check this. The CGPA is 3.0, your GRE score is 291 or verbal and quantitative section. So this is just how you need to this is just how to check, okay? And you can see like graduate application, frequent asked questions. These are the questions that people always ask. So do you need to contact a professor? No, you don't need to identify a professor. If you plan to take the GRE exam, yes, complete it. Are there funding opportunities? They've given the answer. Do they accept applications for both fall and spring? Applicants should focus on their fall. So you can see that they've stated all these things on their website. And this is just how I believe prospective graduate students should check for like if you're applying to a particular school, these are the key things you want to look out for. You don't have to like start getting worried or getting overwhelmed. Just go to the website, the school you want to apply, go to their website, go to their program, that particular program, check out first and go to the particular program, look out for the requirement, look at if they have funding opportunities, and yes, the CGPA requirement, the exams they need, and every other thing. And that way you can tell if you're going to if you will be applying to that particular school. You understand my point? So please make sure you put this into action. You don't have to wait till you see people sharing an opportunity before you apply. You understand my point? I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, or any comment, you can drop that in the comment section. And also, if there is any information that you can't find on the website as regards to that particular program, like that you feel like, oh, this is very important for you to know, you should also send them an email. That is why they have their graduate information, their contact information here. You understand my point? So you don't have to panic or anything, or just get anything you are confused about that you can't find on the website. Feel free to send them a message, and yes, I'm very sure you're going to get the response. I hope that was helpful, guys. So please share this information with someone you know might need this, even if you've gone through this process and you feel like, oh yes, share it with your friends, share it with your colleagues, and you don't know who you might be helping. And don't forget to subscribe, because I said earlier I'll be sharing a lot of information, so stay tuned. Bye, see you in the next video.